You okay? Yeah? You sure? Come on.
Oh God, she's crying over there.
You want a guy that's sweet, a guy that's tough, a feminist who likes to pay for stuff, the kind of guy that gets along with your friends without being attracted to any of them. A good boy, a bad boy, a good bad boy, a half good, half bad, half boy.
I get the lower I'll sink. I can't drown my demons, they know how to swim.
Where's the flavor? Where's the flavor in this? I don't taste anything.
Wow. This is incredible. The flavor is immaculate. Never tasted anything like this before. The way it just...
Damn, boy, take the bus!
Is that the bite of 87?
I'm not falling, 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 I'm not falling. Okay, I'm falling.
Hey there, demons. It's me, your boy.
And then there's Chunky. He's dead. He's dead. Chunky's dead. He's dead. I would like to see the baby.
Man, shut the fuck up.
Come on, man.
Give me a break. Give me a break.
Walnut salad!
And you're a cherry blossom. You're about to bloom. You look so pretty. It's free Shavakadu.
You gotta pay the troll toll. You gotta pay the troll toll to get in.
I got it. Sorry about that.
Hey, get it together, man.
God damn it. Sorry. We got it. You got it. You're good. All set.
Yes.
I'm Mary Poppins, y'all. Avengers! Assemble.
I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know where they came from. Okay. Yeah. No, we broke up. It's like broke up 2 years ago, and change, and yeah, that's it. That's all I don't know.